This is cold and flu season. Help combat your congestion with homemade vapor rub shower steamers. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today I'm going to be doing another vapor rub shower steamer recipe. It is cold and snowy outside. Colorado got around 19 inches of snow the other day, and today we're supposed to have 80 miles an hour wind. So what better thing to do than to stay inside and make vapor rub shower steamers, because probably after this storm people will have cold and congestions and they could use this. So let's get started, shall we? The first thing we're going to use is 1 cup of cornstarch. Now cornstarch is pretty much the binder that will hold everything together. So 1 cup of cornstarch. It's kind of messy. And then next we're going to do 1/2 cup of baking soda. And baking soda and cornstarch together will help the vapor rub bind together and form the tablets. And I'm going to just go ahead and mix these two together. And then we're going to add our vapor rub. Now you don't have to use Vicks vapor rub. I'm using the generic, which is just as good. 5 tablespoons of vapor rub. Go ahead and dump that in there. And then we'll go ahead and stir that up. And I had shut my video off long enough so Buddy was trying to eat. And when I shut the video off, he quit eating. As soon as I started up again, he decided to start eating again. And I am making a mess all over the place. Okay, I found the best way to actually mix this is with your hands. Get in there and mix that. And this is probably close to being ready. It is pretty much like damp sand. If it's not, then you can go ahead and add some water to get to the consistency that you want. But only add like about 1 teaspoon at a time, and it'll also depend on your altitude and your humidity as to how much water that you will need to add. Now, the Vicks or vapor rub smell can be quite strong. If it's too strong for you, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area or crack open a window. You can also add coloring if you would like. I am not going to add any coloring to this recipe. And you may want to wear gloves when you're mixing this up if you don't want to get your hands all messy. But I think this is actually going to be pretty good. I'm not going to add any water. And I'm going to go ahead and put these in little snowflake molds. How fitting. Okay, so you'll go ahead and put these in and press them down like you do the bath bombs. And it's kind of messy. Okay, I'll go ahead and finish doing that, and I'll show you how many I made. Okay, I've got them all in the molds. It made 19 1/3 little snowflakes. We'll go ahead and put them into the freezer for several hours and then see how they turn out after that. Okay, so it's been a little over 2 hours. Let's see if they're ready. Go ahead and just pop one out. And there you have it, a cute little snowflake. I would suggest letting them sit out in the air for a little bit longer, say 20-30 minutes, and then go ahead and put them in an airtight container until you're ready to use them. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.